Welcome to Dorman Products installation video for programming keyless entry remotes on 2013 through 2016 Nissan Altima and 2013 through 2015 Nissan Pathfinder models. This installation is considered easy and should take less than 10 minutes to perform. Before you begin this programming procedure, be sure you have all remotes for the vehicle present. This procedure must be followed precisely. Failing to do so could result in a non-functioning vehicle. Also, be aware the programming device may only be used for 3 programming attempts, after which it will no longer be able to be used. If you experience difficulties with this procedure or have further questions, call our helpline at 1-800-523-2911. With the driver's door open, make sure your feet are completely off the brake pedal. Press the start-stop engine twice, and then turn the hazard lights on. Plug the programmer into the OBD port located below the steering column. It should beep twice to confirm it is active. Press the Start-Stop Engine button once to the off position. The programmer will beep once. The car is now ready to program your remotes. To begin programming, hold the remote in front of the Start-Stop Engine. With your foot off the brake pedal, press the Start-Stop button once. The red car light on the dashboard will flash 5 times. Press the Start-Stop Engine button to the off position to set the program. Additional remotes can be programmed by repeating the previous steps. All additional remotes need to be programmed at this time. When all remotes are programmed, press the Start-Stop Engine button to the on position, making sure your feet are off the brake pedal. Press the Start-Stop button to the off position. The message in the instrument cluster should read Key Registration Complete. Test the functionality of each remote by starting the vehicle as normal. If programming has failed, restart the instructions from the beginning. If you experience difficulties with this procedure or have further questions, call our helpline at 1-800-523-2911. And don't forget to always check Dorman first for your automotive repair solutions.